Hi, myself Hanmant Reddy DT, working as an assistant professor, Government College for Women, Chintamani, Karnataka. Today we have discussed about a study on topological indices of a graph. In graph theory, as applied in the study of molecular structures, represents an interdisciplinary science called chemical graph theory or molecular graph theory. The topological index is a numeric quantity which is associated with a graph, which characterizes the topology of graph. Molecules and molecular compounds are often modeled as a molecular graphs. A chemical graph is a model used to characterize a chemical compounds. A molecular graph is a single graph whose vertices corresponds to the atoms and whose edges corresponds to the bonds. Suppose if G is a molecular graph, means it contains vertex set, that is V of G, and an edge set which is represented by E of G. Some major types of topological indices of the graphs are degree based topological indices, distance based topological indices, and counting related topological indices. The degree based topological indices introduced to test the properties of compounds and drugs. The main motivation of this topic is the topological index of small polymer structures is widely used in medical science and paramedical field. For example, it plays a key role in delivery system and in the development of anti-cancer drugs. Based on these reasons, industrial interest and academic interest, we have been attracted to research the topological indices of molecular structures from a mathematical point of view. So main applications is to determine the chemical properties of new compounds and new drugs requires a large amount of chemical experiments. The chemical based experiments found that there was a strong connection between topological molecular structures and their physical behaviors. Chemical characteristics and biological features such as melting point, boiling point, and toxicity of drugs. The topological indices can be regarded as a source function which maps each molecular structure to a real number and used as a discrete of a molecule under testing. There are several famous indices applied in chemical engineering for grasping the relationships between the molecular structures and the potential physiochemical characteristics such as IP index, Zagreb index, harmonic index, Wiener index, and connectivity index. Thank you.